Hi everybody, this is Ken. Come and join me for our July 2026 general meeting here in Maple Grove, General Trias, Cavite. Tara, samahan niyo ako.
Natin si Mr. Ken Henry Sala.
It's been a while and I'm finally back. It's been so many months since I wasn't able to be in a production like this that will bring me in this position where I am right now. So I asked myself, ano nga ba masasabi na successful ako? If anything can happen in a day, it can be a positive or negative in just one snap. It's such a big word, and we all have our own definition of success. All I can say is that I am thriving. Don't fear failure, fear never trying. Let's just enjoy and put our heart in what we're doing because great things are coming our way. I won't be here if nagpatalo ako at hindi ako nanimula sa kakayanan ko. Our work is tough, we just have to keep thriving because we're getting there. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude to our SVPs or EL for the inspirations. I give all glory and thanks to God Almighty for giving me the strength, wisdom, and courage to keep moving forward in pursuit of my goals. To my family, thank you for the unwavering love and support throughout my career. To my sales director, Sir JC, thank you so much, sir, for continuously challenging me to aim higher and perform beyond my limits. To my manager, Sir AJ Sarpurdi, I sincerely appreciate your constant guidance and hands-on support with our clients and your willingness to help us whenever needed. To my amazing team of Ventus, Ms. Alex, Elpet, Rish, Nicole, Alea, thank you for always being my strongest support system. Thank you, Megaroll Alpha, and to God be the highest.
First spot, we have Ventus with a total sale of 44.1 million over the line.
First of all, congratulations, finally. It's good to see you. No? When I heard that walk-in, sabi ko agad, and I heard nasa iyo napunta. So this is really deserving for you. Because we all know, especially coming from your manager, from JC, na talagang how hardworking you are because you've been really exploring all sorts of ways in marketing approach just to get a sale. But this month, you showed strong production by congratulations.
Guess what? I bagged a top to producer for the month of July 2026. I really want to thank my clients who trusted me and also the people behind of the success. Thank you very much. See you again on my next video. Bye everyone.